Hi guys, welcome to our weekly check-in. 每周打卡 Here's the question for you. 你住在哪儿？你住在哪儿？ Where do you live? 住 is a verb. It means live. 在 is a preposition, which means in or at. 哪儿 is the question word, meaning where. Here are 8 cities. Let's read them out. 北京、上海、悉尼、伦敦、纽约、巴黎、东京、莫斯科。To answer the question, we use this sentence structure. 我住在 Complete the sentence with the place you live. For example, I live in Sydney. In Chinese, it's 我住在悉尼。How about you? 你住在哪儿？ Answer it in full sentence in Mandarin. Can't wait to hear your answer.